Hello out there. Many times in our pen testing engagement, we are given a range of a network or the CIDR of a network for pen test. And similar thing you'd also noticed in your OSCP examination, where you would be given boxes having different IP ranges to work. Now, whenever such situation arises in pen testing, engagement, we basically tend to look at two different tools that is very much popular. First is masscan and second is Nmap. Both these tools have their own strength and weaknesses. When it comes to Nmap, it is a very mature tool which can be used to detect the port that are open in the network. At the same time, it also try to figure out the underlying vulnerabilities if there exist with the services running on the port. Whereas masscan itself a beast when you compare it to in terms of speed with Nmap, and it will just give you the range of IP, the list of ports for the range of IP in very quick time. Now in this video, what we have tried to combine the power of both these tools using a Python, such that it would help you to reach your objective in one shot, and at the same time it will help you for the final reporting on the asset that you are given for pen test. Now as usual, I will be putting the Python script in my GitHub repo. You can go and have a look. Now for this particular challenge, to demonstrate the usability of my tool, I would ask all of you viewers to follow along the video so that you can see by yourself that how much time this tool is taking to scan the CIDR range of 24 that I have taken. For the time being, I am just taking 255 hosts for a particular IP range. In a very short duration, see the host file is there, and it is just I'm just taking only 24 the 255 blocks of IPs to scan using this tool. Now the tool that I have created in my Kali box, assuming that the masscan and Nmap are pre-installed. If you are a Windows user, then I would recommend that you can use the compiled binary of masscan and customize this tool according to your use. If you are not able to do that, please reach us via comment box, and we'll be happy to provide you the another format of this tool for the Windows platform as well. See, I'm just showing that masscan and this is included. So I'm just straight away running this tool for the host that I have selected here. Okay, since masscan and Nmap requires the sudo permissions, sometimes root permissions, to scan for particular switches. Okay, so I'll be running this Python script using the sudo. Password I'm just providing, and in no time you'll see that we'll be reaching this tool is very fast. You can see that almost just on launching only, it's completed 2% of the thing is done. Now in the meantime, I would ask you to have a look on my Python script. This Python script is using very basic modules, using sub-processes, and OS and sys for the various argument kind of thing. You download it, or you can just you can check it out by yourself. Okay, that modules, it is well explained, and at many places this time I have commented the section as well to help the beginner to understand the usability of tool and the functionality of tool. So the video that is you can see that I'm just running the same script. Okay, you can watch this video at 1.5 as well if you want. So I hope now you are getting that what kind of things are involved. Now you see that we have reached to 44% of scanning in time. I think I should speed up the video so that we can save some time and straight away talk to the point. And now it's 100%. Now the moment it will be 100%, it will just list the all the live hosts and their corresponding ports and start the Nmap. Okay, straight away. Okay, no delay. It will be using the installed Nmap module in your Kali box, and see, in just no time produce the nmap result and given you in terms of host. Now you can see that there are two hosts that we have found, and all the text files are created before you for your reporting purposes. The first test box is, I think, 209. I think I have wrongly selected 234. Okay, let me type it again. 209, I think. So there is, I think, only okay, only one port is open, that is port 2000. TCP port is open, and it is a MikroTik bandwidth test server. And for the other host that we have to check is 241, and there are again two ports. 9908 port is open. Okay, so this is all about this tool. And before we just finish this video, I just like to request your support and love one more time. Thank you for so far your support, whatever that you have given. I would like at the same time, I'm seeing that many of your viewers who watch this video but they are not subscribing. Please help us to grow and subscribe our channel. And if you are finding that content can be improved, please share your thoughts to us through the comment box, and would be happy to incorporate. And thank you and for all your support once again. And we'll be keep posting this kind of interesting video for your pen testing world. And thank you. Have a great day, and subscribe to Road to OSCP for